Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and you are watching another web guide YouTube channel, and today we'll see how we can create this transparent login form. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. We'll start with creating a basic form structure in HTML. We'll first create a div element to keep all our form elements and give it a class of login box. Let's create the labels and input boxes for our form. For the password placeholder, we'll use the bullet character. Finally, let's add a login button. Now I'll create another div and give it a class of links. In this, we'll add some links for forgot password and new user. So now our basic form structure is complete. We'll now start with adding CSS. We'll add a background image. You can find these resources on my website. I'll leave a link in the description below from where you can download all these assets. So now let's set the repeat type as no repeat, position as center and attachment as fixed. Okay, why isn't it working? Sorry, I forgot to link the style sheet with the HTML. Now you can see the background image. We'll set the background size to cover so that it will automatically resize according to the viewport. Now let's add some styling to our login box. We'll use absolute positioning to place our login form in the center of the page. We'll also add a black background with opacity of 0.2 so that the form elements stand out. I'm using the auto prefixer plugin to automatically add vendor prefixes. Now we'll add a user profile image and give it a class of user image. We'll set the height and width to 80px and the border radius to 50% to get a circle. We'll again use absolute positioning to control the position of this image. We'll increase the padding in our login box. Let's give a top padding of 80 pixels, right 30 pixels, bottom 10px and left 30px. Yeah, that looks nice. Now let's style the elements of our form. First the labels. Next we'll give some styling to our input boxes. We don't want any border, but we do want a line below it, which we'll create by the border bottom property. Next we'll style the login button. Let's create a hover state. I want to change the cursor type to pointer. Next, we'll add styling to our links. We'll remove the default underline by setting text decoration to none, and then we'll add a few more properties and finally set the hover state. Now when I select the input field, we can see a blue border around our input field. We'll now get rid of this blue border. For that, we'll use the focus selector and we'll set the outline property to none. You can see that the blue border is gone now. Although the form is complete, but we can see that the background is very bright. So to make our form stand out, we'll create an overlay over the background image. For this, we'll create another div with a class of overlay before our login box div. Now in this div, we'll set the height and width to be 100 viewport width and 100 viewport height respectively. This will give us a box covering the complete viewport. Now we'll set the background color to black and give it an alpha channel. So this is how we create a transparent login form. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, take care, bye bye.